Debt consolidation is a strategy used to simplify your financial life by combining multiple payments into one. Let's look at how it works. At its core, consolidation means taking several separate debts and rolling them into a single new loan or credit line. The primary goal is to reduce the number of bills you have to track, which can help prevent missed payments. People typically use personal loans, balance transfer credit cards, or home equity products to pay off their existing high-interest debts. Consolidation is different from a debt management plan, where a nonprofit agency negotiates directly with your creditors on your behalf. The financial incentive is often to move debt from high-interest credit cards to a lower-interest personal loan, saving on total interest costs. Remember that consolidating moves the debt around. It does not change the fact that the money still needs to be paid back. Thanks for watching. Understanding your options is the first step toward better money management. Educational content, not financial advice.